Assalamualaikum and hi. So for today, we're going to present our GIS project with the course code BITP 3483 Geography Information Systems. Our project name, Crime Statistic in Malacca. So these are our team members. We have DIVIYASRI, FATIN, HANISAH, HUDA, ADLIN, and RABIATUL. So let's start. So for our problem statement, the traditional strategy of intelligence and criminal record maintenance has failed to meet the requirements of the present crime scenario. Due to that, the lack of public capability to guide and support the transition from crime mapping in police to mapping with the community for local policies is increasing in Malacca. So for the hypothesis in our project, the analysis displays locations of the prison in Malacca. Because the majority of crime cases in Malacca are recorded closest to the prisons, and it is important to analyze the prison itself. So the study shows that GIS enhances mapping, analysis, decision-making, and presentations of prisons to lay people, which help to deter crime from occurring near prisons. GIS also allows police to plan effectively for emergency response, determine mitigation priorities, analyze historical events, and predict future events. Next, in our project, the method that we used are spatial analysis. We have data collections, maps, ground investigations, analytical, tactical and strategic analysis, graphical interpretations, and analyze data in the existing map and link them with demographic and economic data for the surrounding area. And the objective are the main purpose for this project is to provide citizens information about crime that occurred in Malacca over the past 14 days so that the local will be more careful surrounding them. And then next, for the authorities themselves, by using GIS to uncover patterns of attack like PDRM can easily settle a case by sorting the crime hotspots as the first steps. And now let's look at this map. It shows that 3 points of prisons in Malacca in the red dotted there. And next map, it shows that in this yellow point here, it shows that reported crime scenes in Malacca. And next, in the pink polygon here, it tells us that this is a small village and industrial place in Malacca also. And next, in this blue buffer around here, around the prisons area, it tells us that it is about 1 kilometer area distance within each prison in Malacca. And last but not least, in this green buffer outside the pink polygon here, it shows that it is 600 meters area distance within each village or industrial place itself.
Hello, we are from Group K. For our project is Crime Statistic in Malacca. So the purpose of this project is to provide citizen information about crime that occurred in Malacca over the past 40 days so that the local will be more careful. Next, for the authorities, by using this GIS to uncover pattern of attack like PDRM, can easily settle a case by sorting the crime hotspot as the first step. This story map is to show the statistic of the reported cases in a yellow dot and the prison located in a blue buffering, which located about 1 kilometer to each other. So, this is our map. For the spatial analysis, the pointed location in the map above, for the red symbol, it shows the location of prison in Malacca. For the yellow point, show where the crime cases is reported. For the pink polygon is a small village or industrial place. For the blue one, buffer show that 1 kilometer area distance within each prison in Malacca. For the green one, it show around 600 meter area distance within each village or industrial place in Malacca. So this is our map. It can be seen that there are 3 prisons. For the first prison name is Penjara Prabebas Dusun Datuk Murad. For the second one is Pusat Correctional Justice, and then lastly Kompleks Penjara Sungai Udang. Next, for the problem statement, according to Department of Statistics Malaysia, Malaysia crime rates from 2018 until 2022 keep increasing year by year. As in Department of Statistics Malaysia state, crime statistic in Malaysia in 2028, the cases divided into two categories, which is violent crime and property crime. Next, for the hypothesis, the analysis display the location of the prisons in Melaka because the majority of crime cases in Melaka are recorded closest to the prison. It is important to analyze a prison. The study shows that GIS enhances mapping, analysis, decision-making, and presentation of prison to lay people, which help to determine crime from occurring near prison. Lastly, GIS also allow police to plan effectively for emergency response, determine mitigation, analyze historical event, and predict future events. For the objective, by using GIS, the crime analysis or pattern can easily identify as the point of every crime scene will be marked and indirectly inform the decision about public safety can be made. Additionally, from the resulting analysis, authorities can take further steps to plan the reduction of crime in that specific area. In conclusion, last but not least, this GIS project is created to make it easier for users to know which areas are at risk of criminal cases in Melaka, so that the user can be more aware of themselves on that area. In addition, this GIS system also provides a very useful information to the user about the located prison area near them in Melaka. So, lastly, the video link we include here for suggestion and improvement. The project should have more data and details about the prison located. Next, the analysis must contribute around Malaysia since the data in Melaka is not enough. For conclusion, last but not least, the GIS project is created to make it easier for users to know which areas are at risk of criminal cases in Melaka, so that the user can be aware of themselves on that area. In addition, this GIS system also provides very useful information to the user about the located prison area near them in Melaka.